Hi everyone, コアラです。今日の英語で雑学は Japan's weirdest checkout habit。 アメリカのレジで日本人の支払い方法がどうして驚かれるのか、その秘密を探ります。では最後までお楽しみください。
Your total is $34.50.
Here's $54.50.
You gave me $20 too much.
I know.
Then why...
Just give me a 20.
Wait, $34.50 from $54.50. Oh,
Exactly.
so you handed me extra money just so I could hand one bill back?
That wasn't a mistake. That was wallet maintenance.
Is this a Japanese thing?
It can be. A lot of Japanese people grow up thinking not only about how much they have to pay, but also about what kind of change they want back.
You choose your change?
Sometimes, yes. And apparently, that can completely confuse an American cashier.
Okay, normally if the total is $34.50, you could just give me $50.
Right. And then I would get $15.50 back, a $10 bill, a $5 bill, and some coins.
Which sounds perfectly normal.
But if I give you $54.50, I get one clean $20 bill.
So you make the payment more complicated to make the change simpler.
Exactly. The goal is not always to hand over the simplest amount. The goal is to make your wallet simpler after the transaction.
That feels like doing extra homework so your backpack weighs less.
That is exactly what it is. And the habit makes even more sense with Japanese coins. Let's say something costs 1,780 yen. If I pay 2,000 yen, I get 220 yen back. That could mean several coins.
2 100 yen coins and 2 10 yen coins.
But if I pay 2,280 yen,
You get 1 500 yen coin back.
1 coin instead of 4.
You gave the cashier more coins, so you could leave with fewer coins.
Now you understand Japan.
But the math works. If the total is $34.50 and you hand me $54.50, the change is exactly $20.
Right, so why would that confuse anyone?
Because the confusing part is not the subtraction, it's the intention.
The intention?
Yes, from your point of view, you're saying, I want one clean $20 bill back.
Exactly.
But from the cashier's point of view, they may just see a customer handing over a strangely specific amount of money. The total is $34.50. You hand over $54.50. And the cashier thinks, why are you giving me $20 extra?
But I'm not giving you extra. I'm choosing my change.
That makes perfect sense if the cashier recognizes the pattern. Price plus desired change equals payment.
$34.50 plus 20 equals $54.50.
Right, but if that pattern is not familiar, the payment can look like a mistake.
So the problem is not that the cashier can't calculate it.
Exactly. The strange part is realizing that the customer planned the change before the cashier even touched the register.
In Japan, that feels normal.
In America, it can feel like the customer is trying to do the cashier's job for them.
I'm not trying to do their job. I'm trying to save my wallet.
And that is the cultural mismatch. You are optimizing the final shape of your wallet. The cashier is expecting a normal payment.
So I think I'm being helpful.
And the cashier thinks, wait, why this exact amount?
Fair.
And there's another reason this feels strange. Traditionally, many American cashiers were taught to make change using a method called counting back change.
Which sounds normal.
It does, but the method may feel completely backward to a Japanese person. Let's use the same example. The total is $34.50. You give me $50. A traditional cashier doesn't necessarily begin by calculating 50 minus $34.50 equals $15.50.
Then how do they know what to return?
They start at the price and count upward until they reach the amount you paid.
Show me.
The price is $34.50. First, I give you 50 cents. $34.50 becomes $35. Then I give you $5. 35 becomes 40. Then I give you $10. 40 becomes 50. And now I've reached the amount you paid.
Hold on, you never calculated $15.50?
Not necessarily. I just kept adding money until $34.50 became 50.
You counted the price up until it turned into my money.
That is a very unsettling way to describe it. But yes,
So, although it's called counting back change, you're mathematically counting up.
right. Price to payment. $34.50. 35, 40, 50.
I'm sorry, but to a Japanese brain, this feels like walking backward through the answer.
And what Japanese customers do can feel just as strange to an American cashier.
Because Japanese customers may start from the change they want.
Explain.
The price is $34.50. I decide that I want one $20 bill back, so I add $20 to the price. $34.50 plus 20 equals $54.50. That becomes the amount I pay.
So I start with the price and work forward toward the payment.
And I start with the desired change and work backward toward the payment.
Same transaction.
Opposite direction.
Exactly. The American cashier is solving, how do I get from the price to the amount the customer gave me?
The Japanese customer is solving, what should I give the cashier so I receive the change I want?
You're both doing math. You're just entering the maze from opposite ends.
And then meeting in the middle, slightly annoyed.
So is every Japanese shopper secretly a human calculator?
No, most people aren't solving advanced equations at the register. It becomes a habit. You see 1,780 yen, you notice you already have 280 yen in coins, and your brain automatically sees a 500 yen coin waiting on the other side.
That sounds like a tiny optimization problem.
It is. The customer is not only asking, do I have enough money? They're also asking, what payment leaves me with the fewest annoying coins?
Meanwhile, I'm just trying to remember whether you gave me 50 or 54.50.
Different priorities.
So the Japanese shopper optimizes the wallet. The American cashier traditionally optimizes the process of producing correct change.
Exactly. Neither system is more intelligent. They're solving different problems.
Does this only happen with human cashiers?
Not always. Some Japanese vending machines and self-checkout machines let you insert extra coins and then return the difference as simpler change.
So people can use a machine to clean up their wallet?
Sometimes, you feed it a collection of annoying little coins, and it may return fewer, larger coins.
That sounds less like shopping and more like laundering pocket change.
The machine doesn't judge you, it doesn't look confused, and it never says, sorry, I already entered 50.
Finally, technology serving humanity.
Of course, not every Japanese person does this.
And Americans sometimes adjust their payments to get cleaner change too.
Also, cash is becoming less common in both countries. With cards and phones, there may be no physical change at all.
So this habit could slowly disappear.
Maybe. But for anyone who grew up carrying a wallet full of coins, the instinct is hard to erase. You don't just see the price, you see the possible future of your wallet.
That sentence was much more dramatic than this topic deserved.
You've clearly never carried 12 1-yen coins.
So let me make sure I understand. A Japanese shopper might pay $54.50 for a $34.50 purchase, not because they're confused, but because they want one $20 bill back.
Correct.
An American cashier may find that confusing because the register may already be showing a different amount of change. And because the traditional American method starts at the price and counts upward toward the payment.
While the Japanese customer may begin with the change they want and work backward toward the payment.
America counts forward.
Japan plans backward.
Same math.
Opposite direction.
And the reward for all this mental effort?
A beautifully organized wallet.
until you buy something else 5 minutes later.
Please don't ruin this for me.
コアラの英語メモ。
Wallet. Wallet.
Confuse. Confuse.
Cultural mismatch. Cultural mismatch.
動画のどこに出てきたか探してみてくださいね。ご視聴ありがとうございました。チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。